How is going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel Infophilic Era. In today's video I will be once again demonstrating the way that how we can design and digital marketing logo for your brand or company. Okay, so now as you can see here, I am on the right now I am on the Canva website. Canva is a free website where you can design your own logo, you can edit your logo, you can create poster, ads. A lot of stuffs are available here, and the designer really contribute to this community. Okay, so what you have to do, I have given link in the description. As you can see here, just click on that and a lot of free designs you will get here. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm right now here. This is the website link. I have given link in the description. Just click on that link and it will redirect you to the official Canva website. As you can see here are a lot of and thousand of free templates available. You can choose whatever the design best for you according to your requirements. Okay, so in this way you can design your own logo and you are good to go. Okay, so as you can see here, this is here are available templates where you can choose this one. So I will be going to demonstrate that how we can design the digital marketing logo. Okay, so what you have to do, just as you can see here, currently I'm checking the best template for myself, and if you wanna go ahead and explore this website, you will find a lot of stuffs and designs right now here. Okay, so let's see what's going on right now, and I'm gonna scroll it, and here we go. So as you can see here are the gaming logos, education logos, non-profit organization logos. A lot of stuffs are available here, so you can choose the best and ultimate design for your requirements. Okay, so as you can see here, this one here are the gaming logos. As you can see at the top of the logos. Okay, so these are the gaming logos. It really aesthetically very good. Okay, so if you want to choose, you can go with that one. Okay, but what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna select the digital marketing logo, and here we go. So which design is best for me, I'm gonna check it out. Here you can choose whatever the design, as there are a lot of stuffs available. So here are some paid designs, some are free. Once you have clicked on the design, it will be open in the new tab. Okay, so what we have to do, as you can see right now. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this ring. Okay, and I'm gonna resize the text and perfectly align it to the center. Okay, so as you can see, it has been aligned to the center. Okay, what I am doing right now, I'm gonna search for the clip art, that is the digital marketing. Okay, so here as you can see, there are a lot of resources shown in the result. Some are free and some are the paid one. Okay, so make sure to select the free resources. Okay, and here we go. Here you can change the color of this as well. Okay, so I have changed the color. I'm gonna resize I'm gonna rename the text digital marketing. Okay, what I have to do right now, I'm gonna just check it out, digital marketing, and here we go. So as you can see, it has been the spiral text, the circular text. I'm gonna change the slogan as well. Okay, so here as you can see, you can put your own slogan here in this way. Okay, so from the Canva website, here you can edit, you can design, and you can download the gaming intros. You can also create your education logos, non-profit organization logos, because there are thousands and hundreds of templates available on the Canva website. On the Canva website, you can also create a professional presentation for your education or anything you want to present. Okay, so here you can change the color of this background. So this was some sort of I'm gonna resize the slogan and perfectly align it to the center. Okay, so as you can see here, make sure to choose the right template, the right text, and the right color for your design. Okay, I just demonstrating this. Okay, so don't confuse with this. one. Okay, in this way. I hope you have learned something from this video. Make sure like it and subscribe my channel, okay, and press the bell icon for the recent post videos and notification on my channel Infofelic Era. Okay guys, what I have to do right now, I'm gonna select another clip art image if you wanna. Okay, so in this way you can create a logo, and from this option you can download it. Okay, so if you once you have clicked from here, you can also share your designing with someone else, your friends, family, or teachers. Okay, so you can do it from here. Okay, so it gives you a lot of options. The Canva is the best. I would suggest the Canvas you should choose for designing. Okay, I'm gonna click download. So I have used some free stuffs as it require me some credit card. I'm gonna remove the paid material. Okay, this one I'm gonna remove it, and later on I will be able to download. In this way you can design. Okay, so I hope you have learned something from this video. Make sure like it and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.